Alright, go nap. Go nap. Nigga, how are they supposed to hear you then? How are they supposed to hear you? I'll do a sec. My ass! Oh!
Alright. You have to like follow me with the camera though, alright?
Alright. In a wild world, we see a blue ass monkey. Here.
Hey!
My name's Little Timmy.
Alright. Nice on a hot tub. Filming right now was good. Oh, fuck my ass!
And we follow him.
Alright.
Also, guys, I gotta
anyways,
tell you, I have COVID.
with a burnt ass, I sit in this. Oh, fuck!
Kung Fu Pan.
Ow!
God damn, that's a juicy. Kung.
Time for me to propel myself with burning myself in the ass.
We're just gonna see him like fall down. Also, there's a new seed. Are these the only two you have?
Yeah.
I got like 50.
Dude, it takes me so long to grab these things. Come here.
Ooh.
Oh, bro.
Shut up, Nick.
Vere, picos, bambitos. Everybody wants Kung Fu fighting.
How about the other game that I played? There's still a monkey?
Hell, not.
Come on, bro.
Fuck that.
Come on. Come on, dude.
I'm not playing no Steel Monkey, bruh.
Bro, come on, it's funny.
Watch me chuck this seed, bruh.
No, damn.
Hold up, let me chuck it better. Go in the fucking garden.
Well, this game is just about planting seeds. Seeds. Seeds there.
And I
Seeds
like it
there.
that way.
Seeds there.
Yo, this
Then I'm
one's a
gonna
lot
end it.
bigger, man.
I'm gonna end my life, man. I'm gonna end it.
Life goes to be a dream. Life goes to be a dream. Boom.
Shit, my eyes are watering, bro. Also, this mask is kind of hot. Damn, bro.
Bro, how did it not save? What the frick? I spent all my money for nothing.
Checking the inventory.
For nothing.
Checking the inventory.
Holy shit.
Checking the goddamn inventory.
What the frick? I can't check my inventory.
Why? Why can't you just press like...
Because it doesn't work.
Press A, bro.
I'm pressing A.
Like 2 times?
Like, carrot?
Get the fuck off my couch. Should we just go on like an app? I can barely hear you.
Shut up.
Oh, I was on call. Oh. Damn, bro, chill. It's not loud. Carrot seed? What? Why did you have a carrot seed? Alcadabra! Haboosh! Hashu! It is indestructible! Bro, I'm already recording this and I feel like, what the fuck? Bro, my car always does this, bro. Goes in my goddamn window. Shh. Well, guess what? Bye. No. No. Why? Why am I in Steel Monkey? How?
Yes, I got
Huh?
it. I got it. I got it.
Oh, damn. This makes llama.
No.
Yeah, never mind.
It is mine.
Shut the fuck. Damn! I $1K million.
I just let I have one of my Chalalettos, so.
What'd you
Yes.
say?
I just let someone have one of my Chalalettos.
Yo, I can take this.
How?
Here, give me the gun.
No, this is my
Too broke.
spot. Go away.
You're
Go
such
away.
a
This
biggie.
is my camp. You're
You're
such
too
a
cool
biggie.
for it.
This is my hiding spot.
Bro, you're the biggest pack.
This is
And you
super
got a
easy.
big
Like,
microphone.
Still my
Bro,
brain
same to you
I don't
too,
like
bro.
Bro!
There's a
Bombardil, Crocodile just spawned.
Bombardil. Were you just trying
No, what
the kid, you little boy?
Guys, okay? Wow!
No, you
I'm
hit,
I'm new to the game.
What?
you hit
What's
me.
the bet? I'd like
Fix.
Hit me again.
Play.
Hit me again. Hit me again. Thank
the
you.
game.
I
I need to
said-
try the
Bombardil.
Lego.
Bro, why is there John Pork?
Yeah.
There's a John Pork in my
I
base,
had no
bro.
money. I only had $300. What can I buy with $300?
Yeah,
Oh,
John
yeah.
Pork's in this.
$300.
John Pork's
I
in
have
this
enough.
game. So this is
I
everybody's
got me a
problem.
window we
Guys,
I
empty
first
base
put the
share, empty
Rewind
base share.
Who purchased him?
Hey.
I wonder who would purchase him. Like, who would purchase him?
I'll
Get
just
the-
go on Uncle Man.
Get
No, I was
Come here, boy!
Yeah, but not close enough.
Bro!
I
A
was literally about to
Trallalelo!
enter.
A
Well, you did.
Trallalelo! Two Trallalelos! What happened?
I have little bro's brain rod right now with me up here.
Bro, you're such a big.
I have little bro's brain rod. How do you get up here?
Bro, all of you stealing from little kids are so dumb.
Bro, Boneca Ambala.
It's my video, Adina. It's mine. Kid. I'm gonna buy you this boneka.
Bro, are you in here?
True, it's not yours.
Bro,
It's not yours.
bro.
Exactly, made you sell it. It's not
I'm
yours.
repeating you piece of shit.
Tung
Oh,
tung.
Tung tung
Money. Oh,
tung 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 sahu.
go.
We have
Bro,
the Glock.
Gorilla, Eenie, Torton,
We're in the Glock.
Yeah.
We're in the hood.
Stop, I'm sorry.
That's my only thing.
I'm not sorry.
If I don't have any more money to buy anything. No, I don't have any more money to buy anything, bro. Bro, I don't have any more money to buy anything. Yo, I'll buy you something.
Bro, I have $3 $3 left. I have $3 to my
I'll
name,
buy
bro.
you something. I'll give you.
You can't
I'll
even buy it. This is the cheapest
uh,
thing in the
I
world.
want
This John Pork. You can have this John
$3 to my
Pork.
name right now, bro.
You can have this John Pork.
Ooh, I'm making money.
Money.
Woo! Let's go. I actually have enough to get stuff now.
Huh.
What? Please.
This is my Tung Tung. You stole
Yeah,
it from
Precious.
me.
Ah.
This is
I'm
my
leaving
Tung
the
Yo!
server.
I'm the richest man alive.
Yes! I
I'm
got
rich,
my
bro.
Tung Tung back.
I have
Who wants my Tung Tung? Who wants my Tung Tung Citos?
Wait.
I saw it. So that's too bad since I
Yo,
helped
I'm the richest.
Finally. Finally.
I don't even know. Oh my! You are not the richest. This guy's the richest, bro.
Bro, against the Fortella. Against
Well, let's
the
steal from this guy.
Fortella.
Steal from this guy.
Against the Fortella.
Yeah.
Bro, this is the most rarest thing I ever seen in my life.
Hey, bro.
No
Yeah,
way.
okay, get out of here, bro.
The rarest thing I've seen in my life.
You can steal.
No.
You can steal.
Troll.
Stop them! You wanna top
Ta ta ta.
Oh, I'm
Ta
dead.
ta ta's a war.
You wanna ta?
No way. That's kind of crazy, bro.
Dude, I'm a Mr. Beast at this game.
We're
By
just
the
gonna
way,
stack.
I'm Mr. Beast.
Let's stack this money.
Probably thought he got it.
Why did you steal my hand? Why is my game glitched?
John Porks in a
It
row.
won't go on my base.
Kimchi.
My game's glitched.
Yeah,
I
because
made
I
my
saw it. I saw it.
I'm still in my hand. Hit me.
Yo!
Not like I'm gonna hit you.
Gonna make
He's
1,000.
already even freaking like what is
This is
going
my
really
first thing to get.
towards
That's gonna make.
Cellini? Like, that's not even an actual
No way! Come on.
Oh wait, yeah, steal it, steal it.
Yes.
Where are
Yes.
you, buddy?
Yes.
Money. I did it.
No!
I'm
Guys,
rich
I
now.
know the best way to steal, y'all. I know the best way to steal.
I got something I desire.
What's your desire? No!
I finally got Bombardiro Crocodile without anyone taking it. Damn. I'm happy.
Lucky.
You sold it?
Bro has legendaries in his base.
Come here, that's so
Oh,
much
Lemon
money.
has legendaries.
No.
Bro, I've never seen a legendary in this game, bro. That's it.
No,
Bro, I haven't seen
me.
a
Go
Brenna
get someone
guy.
else, not me.
Yeah, that's sick. I'm not gonna steal.
Damn son.
No, can I just stay in here? Can I just stay in here and chill? I'm not gonna take. Dang it.
You better not take anything.
I won't.
Yeah. Is that
Okay, can you
Bro,
distract
you
him
got-
real quick?
I need to
You got chef. What, you got a bombardilo? No way.
Yeah, hit him. Hit him.
a bombardillo?
Hit him.
Crocodile.
Crocodilo engines.
Hit him. No,
Oh,
they're
that's
teaming
a
on me.
mythic.
Hit him.
Mythic?
Stop. This is diabolical, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I said stop. Oh, yeah.
Yes, I got it! I got it! No way!
Actually,
No way, bro. God,
Yo,
bombardillo
actually,
I got
crocodile.
it!
guys, get out of my base.
Who we both talking to?
Ah,
Keep
Oh, my base!
I am.
Base, I forgot about my
Yo!
Boneka, no way!
I need help.
That's rare.
I need help, President. I'm stuck
Let
in
me
a hole.
buy it, please, sir.
Please.
Present them.
Oh, I don't even have enough money to buy it, bro.
Get out of my base!
No way, son. This guy has enough money. How do you have enough money? Let's
I'm rich
go.
like
That's my girl that totally need.
Bro, I don't have enough money.
That's
You're
what
in call.
I've been trying to do. I've been trying to get more money.
Why did you buy it? Why did you
That's my
take that from
totally
me?
need.
Sorry,
That's my gorilla.
Sorry. Yeah,
Why
trapped.
did you take it from me?
Trapped here.
My gorilla.
Hey, trapped.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I know. I just started.
Gotcha!
Sam, I need Trolleros.
No, wait, my base. How
Wait,
do I
Trolleros
I had
is
an
only
all
the best
Trollero base, and I
Yes,
had
you can.
$2.
Thank you.
Yes,
You are
you
gonna
can.
take from my base, bro.
Take from his
Badu.
face.
You guys want to play Squid Game?
Please.
Street get for trying to steal.
How do I do it?
Yo, look! Look, I got your gun. I got your gun.
But this is what he's trying. This is what he gets trying to steal.
Damn, bro, I got a stuff stolen.
That wasn't even mine.
Bro.
That wasn't even my base.
Oh, shoot, look at this
okay.
guy. I
Mate.
don't care.
basically broke now.
My second
Just stealing
fish.
from everyone. Bro, chill.
So,
Is it because we're blue?
Oh, you're stealing. Oh, my bad.
yo, I have enough money though.
Get that. Get that.
No! My best stuff!
Yeah, you're stuck
Guys, I
here.
got a Trollero. I got a Trollero.
Bro, you took everything from my base. Let's
Does
go.
somebody
I didn't take everything. It was other people, not
Anybody
me.
want this Trollero, Trollala?
Yes.
I do.
Alright, come over.
That's not a
I'll
Trollero.
I don't even have
give
to
away.
PTSD.
Bet, bro.
Trollero.
I got everything stolen, bro. There's
But
no
you only have like two
Trollero,
stuff.
bro.
JK, you're not getting that Trollero. It's mine.
Okay.
You only have two stuff, bro.
Take this.
Yo,
Bro, somebody thought
Zara.
they're gonna steal my Trollero, Trollala.
Like,
This is
you
my
know,
base,
it's just-
bro. You don't even have a Trollero.
I had a Trollero.
Oh my god. Oh, I hit that clean. Oh,
Yo, bro, this is not trippy troppy.
Lock me in here. So,
You know what?
lock me in here.
You can steal that one, actually. Steal him. I have another one.
Whole 50 cents.
Bro, you can steal that. I got another one.
Dude, you better leave me alone.
Let me out.
I got another one, bro.
Let's
no
go,
way.
bro.
No way.
I got another one, bro.
Bro, I'm so sad. Someone took everything from me, bro.
Bro, it's because you were trying to
I
get
just
Cry
bought
about
one
it.
one of my grandma's,
Cry about it. Cry about it.
I got it.
Hey, let me out, please.
It's so annoying. I have to have a tin
Never.
cheese by my face.
Yo,
Yo, let me join in.
Never.
Let me join in. Anybody got trippy choppies?
Let me out.
Yeah, bro. I got some trippy.
Do?
I only got one, bro. So,
Why would you let me make?
Yo, can I have the trippy choppies?
yo, I'm just gonna do that for one video.
See?
Yo, they have a Fanto.
I think you're cooked.
Fanto.